Hi guys,
So
I'm here
first
for
we
a
need some
snack.
oil.
Let's
Make
make
sure the
something
oil is
quick.
used for medium to high cooking. I'm using some sesame seed oil. You can also use other oils like canola oil or vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, saute some ginger and garlic. Then add some onion. Saute that for a little bit. Remember, we're doing it on high heat, so we're not going to saute it too long. Then add some peppers and saute them for a little bit as well. You want to saute them just for a few seconds, and then after that you can proceed to the next step because it is eventually it's Chinese cooking. Then you turn everything to the side, or you move everything to the side and add a little bit more of oil and add your egg. So I'm adding one egg, that's only for one person. Scramble it up and mix it up with the rest of the vegetables. Now at this point you can actually leave it as it is and just have the snack as it is. If you want to have a low carb snack, this is perfect, but I'm gonna go ahead and add in quinoa, obviously because we're making quinoa fried rice. So at this point, just go ahead and add the quinoa, and we go ahead and add the rest of the spices. That's salt and little bit of low sodium soy sauce. You can actually use a regular soy sauce, but I'm adding a low sodium just to keep it slightly healthier. And that's pretty much it. You just mix up all the quinoa into it. Again, the heat is on medium right now. A pinch of salt. And just about a teaspoon of soy sauce. If you want to add a little bit more, you can, but I'm leaving it to that much. And that's the final result. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Enjoy!